Maybe I never feel catch him say na Kaswa 2024 7th December. Na 7 I'm so onyabtre. Meje na akoyo. Ni interview no ye no. Eche ni mama te ase say ono ankasa kura no wa press conference so kan sa interior minister. Eh? Ade e betimi ekum NDC aban we owo so yi miscommunication. And it looks like I say obi e ka de ope. Monya presenters who monya ministers. If you don't know, I am telling you today. You see, a presenter can present anything to tally. But if you were a minister, you must be able to have a mini part of it that will tally with all. Therefore, minister. When you're presenter, when you're ministers. It's a mini new year. Be kitua be mini. Adiketwa. Dear akakrakana nkrofo kani na chire no. Wo na mutmeden kitten mini. Ne kekase ani. Na ma natimi atale. Enti na every minister, every ministry, yewo agencies and departments. Ewo minister na say. Me be say mbusa sentry sa mo minister na mfa muntaka no. Eti obeye sa press conference no. When mbusa na akoyo. Ana ya trouble committee bi ya trouble unti. Ya trouble unti kan. Say na akoyo so ye MP. Wo di muntaka sa ya born di so ye minister no to nche ono so ye MP. Aba be to abonten say enye no kura da. So ka che committee bi ya enye no kura da. So catch a ministry bia, and then no da. So catch Obia said the convoy was not attacked on the 7th of December. So the Munta Kabaka and then now call your canoe. Why the ever your mama, maybe catch your plane. I dare best say what by way a lack of communication strategy. Men Kayen animal was the Muyao. When Yana a quackra, quite boneso, how he was, was not good at all. Now, Papa cry. But you know what happened? Kwabena Japan at that time, no, presidential press secretary, Nesro de Aoka, Al-Hassan Yakubu, no, interior minister as of that time, or yesterday, Nesro de Aoka. That time, the national security coordinator, na Esro de Aoka, na Esro J. Ekufuo na nkasa so briefing ayede amano etidie na ono so oka. Sometimes you think that the president will not be listening, so you will tell him what he wants to hear, and then you go to the public to tell the public what they need to hear. But President bien anopa both are conflict with what the president said, what ministers and other government functionaries aka. Eti muntaka to ono. Eti na onimda. Say you MPB or parliament your friend na akoyo. If not for anything, bra. Read this. What do you think about it? I mean, the committee is saying A, B, C, D, Z. So eti say ye kwa baby ko kasem na those who are supposed to testify refuse to testify. Must you come out to say this? Because one, I can be under duress. Eti na men testify. Obi betwe so bikokum. Obi betwe so afia eminim with cash. Yetuwe ye nipa. Sikebi wo wa wani kopie so na se nyame anya wadoma. Wo ye bema obema gina so abedo. Se wotu wo se ya wotie mi yen. Wo hu achewa ma odeka 10,000 Ghana cedis, 10 million, 1,000 Ghana. Na wo ba afia ha, na afia tago ebie nika. O se masoda ese ye wa. Enti se ya wotuwe no. Me wo 50,000, 500 million kofako. Den na beton. Why you careful? I won't ring. Eti ya sika ya ade yi na sika betu ama kwasia ehunyansa na nyansani abaye kwasia. Bia one ye friend won't say one be testified they were under a certain kind of duress. Something was happening somewhere. So if you are a minister, you got to be extremely calculative. Say, eti de muntaka be kan ni na no aye bola. Meanwhile, muntaka ye ndisi ni na akoyo ye ndisi ni. Ma en fe no nto. Papa Shi, wona oni lumba yaka. Papa Shi, wo be parke wo Ford na, wo di crusade atetare ho na wo be bopunu ma yemiewu. Me na me pie ba. Papa Shi, if you want to know, tell the world how many times me pie free me fie ho, abegina lumba gate na no, se wa bopunu mu yemiewu, e ma me ma bom me yebie mi. Wona uni lumba yaka Papa Shi or time lumba che obi a okroyim wo Papa Shi wo na sa ba sa obepa che dey say na obepa lumba che Papa Shi e dem pa na odi ye kojo entire na opesa obepa na che ane to for example send we chi ankopa che dana ke ni de wawu ti bi yi na dance enye yie. Any others? Whoa, Papa Shi, whoa. Really? Hey, Ghana, so you won't Jamie. Me doing a me to the acid I am quite unknown. You would die. Whoa, Papa Shi, whoa, Papa Shi. Peter, not once, not 5 times. Or the bopun yemieno. Hey, many brako jo ya ade bi. Na ba ko bo mi fie, na na ba ko bo no ni fie. Enti se wo ko no ni gate anu a mi hu. Wo so ba mi so bi gate anu a ono so hu na wa frɛ me. Sabi eburu sabi enyado. Me nya lumba busu ani wo ba bia. Ba me mpiri no bia so twa tronto kojo so. And they mpire. Because asetna papa ne me tena wo tantra hills no. Se bi yin boni aya nyame kura betua bika. Onye yes lumba pema wu ye na ema 2 pe na ekono ho. Owu ye ma 2 pe. Ah, lumba pa. 2 ni ye pe. Say na girigiri we na ema 2. Side check be na unity. So there's no side check. Wo ye be ma na so ye side check aya yimtumi ehwe. There's no side check. Say pa ye hunu ye wu anya 2 pe na be ko ntokwa. Be 3 4 10 15 ehwem sa. Lumba pema o lumba pema say ma 2 pe. Wo Papa Shi wo.
Kura Bible.
No, akwa we wo ye no wo. Me do nyame akwa sofo na odi no boa. Hey, or time lumba to the level say wo I thought not lumba di ana ho so. And then lumba woman wo, wa be ye busuani. Wo, wa be do fopa. Papa Shi. Bema de papa no sanso di shi. Nti bema ba shi. Papa Shi. Because we ni pa bone. Ade a we ye no ka kire me ba mentimi kan o e. Ade a we ye lumba no o ka kire me ba menka. We ni pa bone. So we mistake is not quarter me ba de kan. We are seeing that wo Papa Shi wo. Once asami buy na me mo Papa Shi di me calculate me pesa system no mu ye di na me dia betum me mo ye. Me sa na me ya di o. Papa Shi oye nipa o tan lumba chen bibia wasase so wo. Hwe, mafia. Ada kojo kasa asem na chem no osun. Bisa se den tra one ne yaka. Musa Papa Shi said, "Don't tell no lumba yaka." And the lumba wuya. Which you your hot as away your dog for pabi. Hey, me lumba koto perfume. I was shop with me more because me bought shop didn't pay a semi cancer no. Yeah, koto perfume. no she sam hoodie o sabade sa na friend no hoodie no ye two car na ye kono ena ayi papa ye friend no kempo ye odi ne to nnwom yi o friend wo car nim no so enia pacho kempo na friend no on fa call no mama na me drive into no na wo dey atare maso ho amane na mpeke kempo ko na me tare lumba so ho no so drive that time no wa call the temple ye wo Jim bi wo Kingsby roundabout ye for the temple na ho no wa kwa aba and na ye kwa akoto it was a Saturday and come on so o mi nu asum ni de na speaker but owie ye no lumba yo bi e ba fi on kana asem so wonim kodwo pa me o tu me for catch am say nipa hu ntwom a either so be respectful and I say unrespectful you obi hu pa so familiarity breeds contempt say obi hu pa either so be bu and I say on bu enti komodidi enimu na wo shi we sa wo papa shi we waje wanim kusu hu aye hu asasasa bro sama chiriba wo ene wo papa shi na me fa wonto ho me pese obeyi ano menyamu te se bodwe ase aburu ayabra na beyi ano mon kan che sa mo papa shi no wo ene wo so we dai nkwase anyomoto evangelist evangelist and then na samokra ko ntokwa na wo then na samokra start shehela ye makeup obi a ye makeup are not TV so do radio so no jina bass preach do atem and then na samwa oyi na wem no de na samba mi so no te gegra so for usu ansa na patch o man no ye fe don to nchen abronye wajimi ejai hwe ade ye me ya se wo ho me mitwe se wonni me yi a wa hwe abeka se kodwo muade je wo be me pa na obi hume e na me ma wo hume e wa bonten inside na obi hume hwe abronye ye po bi DJ kufu atama na wo wo 1992 no wanu so mo busu afọ pepa no wanu so ma ene buru tese ekwa wan ekwa okasa wani mu ntosuo ye dugu tik atukulete mu a ebebuso ama ye de tipa asoso wo ene wo abronya wo wo na kufo kasa wo soso enye wo problem a enye wo a yakufado makatra mo ha last week ana Monday we anam kan me se akufado which are not the poison better to for them in the year. Mugasa, Mimi Casam, Minimicao. Who are Bronye? Who? Mafia, Kufoka day. Old man, then Kuano Kai. Asamben Kuana Kufoko Kanya, who are Bronye? Sabia bru sabia nyado akonta me fe na akonta on minini mi anu tili nte efe ye ho akonta na se senior se wo pobi de wano atia na enya bukuro mbosom MPP ekuro bosom won ye Jekufo ma ya kefa afa Jekufo it will take over 200 years as manya bosom to take Jekufo hwe mafia 1992 de bia me catch me na 12 years ye pimko ye pimba. I was the youngest.
The little boy.
I was that little boy.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That little boy. In the midst of the big boys. Where was Abronya? Minim nimfia wedi. But Abronya wa him. And now Kufado ne ba umia kesi ani. Ebie ankwanchen Facebook TV amount. Se fadi obia owo Kufo ni ejiri mu nyina di wo matam na the spice wo mo se de be ya Kufo otese kutu isi what did they say nsu ase obepie we did president every 2009 7th January but still the ho akono China na do ne ho akono Chen Nanado. Say Nanado and quite yes me and for microphone and no be a person of friend interview no. Maintain Nanado na membo na na time. On one kasa Akufo-Addo de me penasem. Because I have saved his life twice. 1, 2, 3. On one kasa Akufo-Addo nim. E ye me nim e nu ntamasem. Timi kana bonte. And wo ye me dai me ka. Mafia. Jay Kufuor say, baby a party no atete akoduro no. E say ye pe strategy bi. Na ye de ye party ni ye. Na ye hihye party na mani beduru baby afei ehun beba be ye din. Enti sa na te de a, wo mo ye di general secretary wo party ni mu nyina no, ye ka wo mo ano. John Buadu no ye Akufo-Addo boy. Na Akufo-Addo yi ni man. No lose election. Eti de na Kufuor person kan strategically he. Aya na Kufuor kasa nipa bi ntiase. Mafia. Wo wai na no hini nto efi alanchamate ho alanchamate be naked. Ba pi me pesa be kire Solomon kasa me kire ase. Benya Victor Smith to Rollins. But then the Kufuor patch and say, now no hidden told you a certain knowledge, a certain information, a certain strategy, and the free part of them. But not to be say, Kofro hidden to bra, Kofro we bra, the Kufuor bet me a can or your penny or your bosom. And to one way the general secretary or part of the money in ano, Tietri no kind, one way beba, and the one Emma in Ampuno, Yanton Sanfrewo, 10 years. And yeah, baby, nya Kufuor and Shakukwamo. And before you and a year forum, no more friend, Papa's Omra. And to say, a flower, and be a na or him in tow. A Timmy Akadia Shanna Bois, a yen ya. Na saa meeting na Kufuor so obekọ nti se Kufuor hwe hene nto anim ka kyense nana enye hwe san bra na me ne ala de bekasa ohene nto betima hwe Kufuor ni bakasa onti abroye. You don't know anything about political strategy. Shut up. And we are not sad. We are no so. Young friend when the national chairman when people we now together. Young friend obi to say Paul Afoko. Anyone wa aka nyina. Na de ha wono wo nyina nka. Na yensiesi obi ani obi antem. Na afei no want to be what the current executives are away na yen restructure party no abronya se on tia sese Kufuor bo Paul Afoko di na wo watama so Dr. Richard Anani mu wo na wo ni Richard Anani Papa Jasco, do you know him? Mamen can't mafia I am sorry be why I am in person meka because you're classified. But if 1996, ABC 2009, 7 January, Woma ekuta MPP ma party no to be jina ne naso, ma ban no to be ya kono no, we Papa just go free mua enye ye. Do you have an idea? And it's that time, Dr. Richard Anani, Mona Mosia so-called AIDS conference, or by not the banana. AIDS conference was 3 days. But no, but not the bye-bye. When you said 3 days, no. But I hear he ebio buatupa. And then you say, no problem. The yin crab a case, Nukuna Kura, Openade, Openukunubado. What brought your papa will say, or for my near you will say, oh, Yabanama. Ah, oh, Yabanama. Please. Please. Now, akwa we atama so Kufuor ne Richard Anani. Sa denti na Kufuor akwa akobo Paul Afoko di he, mama kan champion people ne. Paul Afoko will win the national championship. Market somewhere. Because they Wawa enipa wa ho. Omo party ni mu a, omo pe national chairman edi no. Boache Jaku, any Paula Foko, Omu Bakuna Beko. But I am very sure someone shall Boache Jaku Jim, I'm a Paula Foko. Because Paula Foko, you try some tone so. Yes, Paula Foko at Chesapeake 2007. Legon MPP flag bearership race, I say. I said there was a small boy be in was it in red or pink t-shirt. Eyamia. Eyamia na me take Paula Foko car. It was a pickup. White. Eyamia. Nizan for Adiano. Nizan for double decker. Nizan na the election 2008 Alan Chamatin single-handedly Eto Nizan double decker pickup the Makumaku 50 and the support Akufado campaign. Mobia Meta no can say me one document. 50 1 2 3 10 20 30 40 49 50. Alan Chamatin, huh? Mumbu sign people in penny for now because I say Central Region, Greater Accra, any voter region. And it's almost sorry, almost say Alan Chamate, NDC for the penasem because voter for the penasem. It was not like that. The reason was that Alan John Kojo Chamate, MPP Mrana yet Diama Kufado no, Alan Chamate and no sorry, I know a funny sick and we took a voter region. So called campaign of Makufado. Besides, Alan say how many times? And I'm for 2 or so. Oh, voter region, me na make. Do baby, myself, me, Koko Sohine, on who to me na dance here. Salamatu, Salati is Lego, says here, I am before you nama. Akufado a tonatune, a to salatune. So Hana Saladi, Kufuechido. Any a dimbia, I can't remember because one that was national security architecture and to me moonding. Ah, Sanko Fono, yen ye 2 car from Accra. Eko Sevi Alan. Yen ye 2 car, ko Sevi Alan. All because of Akufado. Now who abroad ye na way. Opa Betanian MPP history. What do you know? National Chairman Fiana Woodin, regional Chairman Fiano. But Betanian MPP history. What do you know? 1992, so you are now way. What were you doing? And you try some to Paula Foko to say, Paula Foko or the Chicago pick up him, Wababecha or Congress and I say, on only Papaya Ganado time, obey Lands and Natural Resources Minister, Odikaino, Pirameu.
Peter.
And yes, so Pirameu was part of the deal. And I want the small boy be ethical. Me say ya me na me tell pick up him. Today I am telling you. Because what was it? Until that 2007. Yeah, Mafia. Kwabena Japan. Wanye Kufo press secretary. And it's not support Akufado. 2007. Mr. Kwabena Japan non support Akufado. Obi a president Tia Kunyaso. Why the press secretary? But then Kwabena Japan support Akufado. But Akufado by the Boni Odi Kwabena Japan. Or to Kwabena Japan train say Abuabi. But time Rollins call National Reconciliation Commission. Professor Atefam Kenatefam Teho. Ne fi say Rollins kwa. Ye be grip no. Rollins could do say 15 minutes so say then. Until Rollins na dey buso say, "Are you done?" Are there no more questions? Because everybody was marveled and stunned. Because if it's a Rollins the National Reconciliation Commission, now Kokasa, enti Okasa we are Reconciliation Commission no ya juma. Rollins kwadu ho no ye nya obi a wo National Reconciliation Commission mo ambusa say ye say wo be di president no and now ye Cuba and what the map bon krofo ha mu okuma say what is that we bisa sa question no. The next person that's so Sevi National Reconciliation Commission was Kwabena Japan. Okwasu. Ma papa wu ni nya wo ya. Kwa Rollins fa so okumu papa. Because national reconciliation for no call, you know. Rollins call no. Omatwa from Rollins. O went to me with Rollins hwe. Nti strategy no afeli. Me na make a kira wonne. Afeli. Nti sa afeli dia. Ene we need another strategy. That time Jacob Echebilamte was the chief of staff. Adela. Hey, brown envelope, yes, can any edition. That time, a letter to say a brown envelope. 1, it does say you be UAD. 2, your more appointment. 3, and I say, be I want free 1 time, and yet 2 of soon. And now come brown envelope, and then for fee say, is can edition heavy. Have you delivered a brown envelope? I say yes. Let's just say no. You free one year. Woo abronye. Woo. Sake ye pobi kura mana kakufu asama. Esa ye wo bra penny so wo fa. Ye friend saying, hey, Jobeye, Minister of State and Interior Ministry, J.O.J. Kufuata, 6 months pepe. Lawyer Obri Buahin, a very fantastic, respectable man. Come on, Pon Kasa. Because we did Deputy General Secretary. Oh, New Patriotic Party Buddha. Eti, nesa kwa Japan. And akoye face saving. Emma MPP are buying. Check the record, check the strategic platform.